y'all, it's Kitty. So today I am going to do my April favorites. Just ignore my frizzies. I'm going to do my April favorites. I'm gonna hope I can get this out before the end of May. I don't have a whole lot here. I do have one sort of flop. So I'm gonna just get started. My first favorite is just the concept of blush. I have been really loving blush, and I may have picked up a few. I used to have 8 total blushes, and I've picked up some more. A few of these I've pulled out from like my old, I have like a bag of decluttered makeup just from like over the years that like I want to get rid of, but I don't know how to, and I don't just want to toss it all because it's still good makeup. Like I pulled a Milani blush, like one of the rose blushes out of there, and I pulled some Wet n Wild blushes out of there, and I pulled this Makeup Revolution blush palette out of there, and I have been having a lot of fun with blush lately. I've just been trying it, like I've been putting it in different places. I did something pretty normal today. I actually had work today. I started a new job. Thanks for asking. It was good. It went really well. I'm working in the beauty department at Target. Huh. Great. If you have any favorites at Target, skincare, makeup, anything beauty, hair, any of that stuff, let me know down below. I would love to know because it helps me recommend things. My blush collection has expanded lately, just a little bit, but like I don't have like a particular blush favorite. Just like the concept of blush as a whole is a favorite right now. I'm loving it. And I'm hoping to use enough of these that I don't want to continue to own all of these. I've been using the this Milani Baked blush. I have it in Dulce Pink, and I have to say I'm very disappointed, but I want to keep giving it a try because it's such a pretty color when I swatch it with a finger. But every time I use a brush, I can't get any pigment. It's just shimmer. So I'm gonna keep trying. We'll see where that goes. Let's see. Another favorite of mine is this e.l.f. Beauty Shield SPF 50 Skin Shielding Primer. It says it's a universal tint, and we all know that universal tint doesn't exist because the palest ghost people and really dark skinned people can't use the same color tint unless it's absolutely clear. So there's no such thing as a universal tint. It works really well for me because I'm like a pretty average white person. And so like that's when they say universal tint, they mean like we're aiming towards the average white person. And that's like that's me. I really like this. I really like how it sits under powder. I've been using this under my Physicians Formula Youthful Wear. I feel like they've discontinued this and they've replaced it with the Healthy Powder. Healthy Powder? Yeah, it's like the Healthy line. They have the Healthy Foundation, the Healthy Lip, the Healthy Powder. I feel like that's what they replaced it with, and they have several shades of that, which is nice. There was only ever one shade of this. This is supposed to be a translucent powder, but it adds the ittiest bittiest bit of coverage. It just evens out my skin tone just a smidge. Between the two of them, it helps cover up my pores a little bit. It evens out my skin tone. It gives a nice base for everything else. This I've had for a while. This is pretty new, and I've been really enjoying it. Plus, it's SPF 50, which means that when I put it on, I'm putting on sunblock. So that's good. I have also been loving my Bite lippies. Now, I have my favorite color right now is Bite's matte, what is it called? Matte Cream Lip Crayon in the color Glacé. It was last year's Sephora birthday gift, along with the Amuse Bouche in Chai, which I have right here. I used probably a third of my lippy and glacé, and I seem to have lost it. So I bought myself a new one for my birthday, a new of the deluxe sample, because I don't want to spend $24 on a lipstick, guys. I get that some of you guys are willing to do that. I am not willing to spend I can't just drop $24 on a lipstick. I can't. So, I found, because it was the birthday gift, a lot of people had them. And then I know Sephora Play sent out Bite Glacé to a lot of people again. So I knew a lot of people had like doubles of it. So I just found a brand new, like an unused deluxe sample on like a buy sell trade beauty group on Reddit, and I bought one. It has arrived to me. It's brand new. It smells fine. I do not have it with me right now. Right here I have Chai, which I just showed you in the Amuse Bouche. And then I have two reds. I have, I'm sure it's not pronounced phrase, but I don't freaking know how it is pronounced. This is like a nice bright red. And Red Velvet, which is just a nice deeper red. And then Glacé, along with one other Bite lipstick that I bought. It was a mini Amuse Bouche of beetroot. I passed them on to my mom to actually just like give to me on my birthday. They're birthday gifts to myself, which is coming up in like 2 weeks. Oh my god, I'm still a freaking child. I'm still a freaking child. I'm not gonna be old because we're all freaking children here. You're a child, you're a child, you're a child. We're all children. Have fun, go wild. The last two things I have set aside as my favorites. This is not going to be a terribly long video because I don't try a lot of things. I don't test a lot of things out. And the last two things that I have as favorites are Lush hair products. And they're likely covered in my hair because I pulled them out of the shower, and they're hair products. This is what is left of my shower bar in Mont Blanca. It's yellow and citrusy. I really like this one. I don't remember what claims it had, but I've bought it several times and I really like it, and it lasts me at least as long as a bottle of shampoo. This lasts me like 3 months at least. It lasts me like a good solid long time. It is definitely worth the price for me. I love it. It works well with my blue hair. I really like this thing. Plus it's packaging free, and that's honestly, it's the biggest reason that I tried it, and it's the biggest reason why like this is the one that I choose to continue to buy, because there's no packaging, there's no plastic waste, there's no whatever. I can just go to a store, I pick this up, and this is all that comes home with me. I do have travel tins for them. I have 2 tins. I don't buy new tins every time I buy them. They don't come in the tins. The tins cost extra, and I'm sure if you have tins or buy or whatever, you can travel with your own freaking tins. I don't keep the tins in my shower. I keep this on a wire rack directly under the shower head so that the shower is not like, it's not on this the whole shower. I like it. This is a favorite. This has been a favorite for a long time. The other thing I have is the conditioner bar. This is Sugar Daddy-O. There are a lot of mixed reviews about these online. And here's what I'm gonna say. If you have textured hair, I don't know that this is gonna work for you. If you have like difficult to work with, textured, thick hair, I don't know that this is going to work for you. I have nice, straight, like it's thick, but it's very straight and easy to work with and easy. This product, because it's solid, it can be hard for people to get throughout their whole head of hair, and that can be a problem for a lot of people. I don't have that problem because it's easy for me to work this through my whole head of hair because that's just the kind of hair I have. And so I love it. I find it super hydrating for my hair. It does everything I need it to. I used to rave about my Not Your Mother's leave-in conditioner. I have had this has like this much left in it. I've had this for probably 2 months with this much in it, and I've touched it like maybe twice. I also have this hair serum. I have this much left, and I've had this sitting around for a lot longer than that. I haven't touched these because this gives me everything I need. Occasionally, I'll put one of these in if like I need to brush out my hair while it's still wet, and what I do find is that my hair doesn't feel as silky while it's wet as if I put one of these in it, but as it dries, it feels so nice. So that's what I can say about that. I love them so much. They're basically the only things I use in my hair right now. And it's so nice. Plus, that means that I can travel. When I travel, this is my shampoo and conditioner. I don't need to worry about travel bottles. I don't need to worry about putting bags around them so they don't spill. I don't need to worry about how many ounces are in them. I should put these in, honestly, at this size, they can both fit in one tin. When they're both brand new, I don't know that they'd fit in one tin, because this is probably at least half. This is quite small compared to how it comes. And this has been well used as well. Like, it's just so nice. It's so easy. But yeah, those are my April favorites. Once again, I'm going to try and get this out before the end of May. What are your April favorites? What products have you been loving? Oh, I had one flop. One flop. This is the ColourPop Aquamarine Crystal Setting Spray. You can see that it's empty. That's because I emptied this into a different container. I've had this. I got this probably when it came out. A lot of you might not remember this. It's been a long time since it came out, and I mostly haven't touched it since then. I don't use setting spray a whole lot, although I've been using it more since I've been working more with base products. And so I ended up with several setting sprays, and then I was just like, I don't need several setting sprays, so I was trying to focus on one at a time to use them up. When I finally got around to this one, it would not spray. I couldn't do anything to get it to spray. I tried cleaning the thing, it would not spray. And so I just dumped it into a different bottle, and my flop is the bottle. It's not the product, it's the bottle. I feel like this is a glass bottle, which is a shame, because it's like real nice, and if it sprayed well, I would have tried dumping stuff into here because it's cute. But it doesn't spray, so that's a shame. And so now I'm using my hard candy bottle that I finished, surprised I finished this. When did I finish this? I'm using this bottle. I just dumped this into here is what I'm saying. Okay? Cool. 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 So that's my April favorites and flop sort of. What are you loving? What are you not loving? What's just okay? I haven't been trying a whole lot of new things except for some blush. I have been trying some new blush. A lot of them are just okay, I have to be honest. But I have my eye on a few high-end blushes I may or may not buy if I get gift cards for my birthday. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. I don't want to keep all the blushes I just showed you. I want to like use a bunch of them and like figure out which ones are really important that I keep and which ones are not so important that I keep. I feel like I was done the video 10 minutes ago and then I just kept blathering on for 10 minutes. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things tell the YouTube algorithms that I am someone that they should show to other people, and that really helps me out. I would super appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!